Welcome to the channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the Mad Hatter with Mad Hatter Bags. I hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video. I do appreciate y'all for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you love luxury and handbags as much as I do, y'all consider subscribing today by hitting that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel as well. I do a lot of fun stuff on my TikTok channel, and I post a lot of high quality images of everything I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check that out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, go ahead and check out my beacon links. It's gonna be the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there as well, and a lot of shopping links. So with that being said, I hope you're having a fabulous weekend. Like I said, y'all, this bag that I'm gonna show you today is a Louis Vuitton Speedy, and it's in the original monogram print. It's an older bag, and I'll tell you the date in just a little while here. We'll look at the code together and we'll decide what it is. Now, it came off of Japanese eBay, like I said, and I got this bag for about $200. So far, I've got about $250 in this Speedy 30. And that was because of the tax and shipping. But the Speedy is very, very nice. Now, if you watch my last few videos, you may have seen the Louis Vuitton Reporter PN that I got from Japanese eBay that I showed you, and then went back, cleaned the bag up, reconditioned it in another video as a follow-up. This bag here, I'm actually gonna have to send off to Louis Vuitton to get a zipper pull repair. The zippers are notorious for coming off because people pull on them over the years and the leather just wears out. So you may find a lot of those on Japanese eBay, but it's an easy fix. You send it off to Louis Vuitton. So far, the process has been really easy. You just get on the Louis Vuitton app, you request the repair, and they get back with you with an email with a quote, and you can decide if you'd like to do it. So it costs about $50. They pay for the shipping to get the bag there, and I guess to come back, I'll show you that in the video, of course, all of the details, and I'll let you know how that process goes. But it seems good so far, so we'll see. But for $50, I may as well put that in there and get them to fix it, because if you change the bag, then you can't ever send it back to them. They won't ever do anything to it if you do it with someone else. So I'd like to have that because this bag is really nice. And I got it for a steal, so you'll see how it goes. But without further ado, let me go ahead and show you the Speedy. Here it is, and I'll of course put an unboxing video down in the corner there, but this is it. And y'all, I was really shocked at this bag when I got it because it looked really nice on the pictures. And if you go on Japanese eBay, definitely check out the pictures very closely before you bid on anything. Now, Japanese eBay can be very addictive. I like to go on there and add me a watch list when I see items I like. There's lots and lots of bags and wallets and things like that to choose from. So definitely check it out and explore what you can find on there, but just beware, it's very addictive. I've bid on a few items that I actually lost, but it's kind of fun and it's kind of an adrenaline rush to actually bid on some of this stuff. Even if you win it or you don't, it's really fun to just go on there and look and see, but you might find some really great deals like these I've got. So definitely check it out. All right, y'all, so let me just show you a 360 of this bag and I'll show you some close-up details on it. But it's really, really nice and great condition, especially for the price. So if you're looking for something affordable, luxury-wise, a Japanese eBay might be the way to go. So that's the front of it here. Spin to the side here. Now this is an older bag here, and I will put the date up and everything on the screen here so you can see the date, and I'll show you the date code as well in just a minute, okay? We can look at it together. That's the back side of it there. Of course, your monogram is gonna be upside down there because it's just one continuous piece. And there's your other side there. And of course the bottom there, and then the handles, the top there. Okay, so that is the 360 of the bag. Let's move in and I'm gonna show you some details on this bag. All right, y'all, let me share some close-ups of this bag so you can see the quality that you can get on Japanese eBay. There is the chaps on it. They are, of course, got a nice honey patina to them. Of course, I'll go back and I'm gonna do a follow-up video of cleaning up all the hardware and the leather and everything, just like I did the Reporter, so you can see it. There is the handles. They're in really good shape as well. Not too many water spots or anything on there. It just has a really pretty color. There's your other chap there. Of course, the hardware I will clean up and it will be a lot shinier in my follow-up video, so definitely check that out. Moving around to the side there, there's your other little piece there that has the lock. Normally this one did not come with a lock, so I've got to find a lock to go with it. And then let me show you, there's the zipper pull there that I'm gonna have to have replaced. So it was pulled off. The seller actually sent the zipper pull with the bag. It's on the inside in a little plastic bag, but I'll show you that when we open the bag up. So that's kind of the front of it. And as you can see, all of the canvas and everything on this bag is really, really nice still. And then the other chap on the other side here with your Louis Vuitton, it's got a nice color to it and it's very much still intact there. All of the piping on the bag still looks really good too. So it's really soft and it's a really nice bag. Let me show you the back side here. Here is the back side here, and there's the chaps on it. So everything is still in really, really good shape. The handle, as you can see, is good. Chaps. Let me show you the back side of the handle here up close. So there is the handle up close. The glazing and all still looks good. No cracking or anything on the glazing on either of the handles. So very, very nice find from Japanese eBay. All right, and here is the bottom of it again. I'll just show you some close-ups of the canvas here so you can get a little picture of it there and see how nice of quality it is, okay? All right, let's move on the inside here. As you can see, the top part here, it still has a little bit of tarnishing on the zipper, but not bad. Let's open it up and see the inside of this bag. The zipper still works very, very nice on it. And this bag doesn't have any kind of smell that's bad or anything, so really nice on that. There is the interior, if you can see down in there. The interior is basically spotless and clean, so I got really lucky on this one because you can find some that are not. There's the little pocket. I'll pull that out so you can see it with your Vachetta leather trim. And let's open up that so you can see the interior on it. Okay, there is the interior of that pocket there. It's really nice and clean too. All right, and on the back side of that, you have your little leather pieces here with the rivets, and there is one, and then here is the other one, and it has your date code on it. So let's look up that date code real quick and we'll see what year this bag was in. I can go ahead and tell you it's a 2001 bag, but let me show you a little trick I learned. So let me show y'all a little secret. My friend Flo told me about this. It's a website you can go to and you put the date code in and it tells you exactly where the bag's from and what year and everything it was made. So the website is lvcodecalc.com. So it's like LV code calculator, but without the later.com. All right, and let me just show it to you on my phone. I'll put it up on the screen too where you can see it, but that is the website there, and you just scroll up and you can put your code right in this little box here. So let's do that and we'll see what this bag is and where it was made. It's THH0011. So let's put that in and see where this bag came from. All right, so I put my little code in there, TH0011. You just hit submit, and then it's gonna tell you underneath right there, the date code is from 2001 and it was made in France. So January 2001 in France there. There you can see it on the screen. Okay. All right, y'all, so for 2001, this bag is really, really nice. That interior is really, really clean too. So I'm really happy with it. And like I said, I just need to get the zipper pull fixed. Here is the zipper pull that came off of it. And like I said, they just packaged it in the bag and stuck it down in there. It's attached. You've got your other leather pieces on the other side here. They're all intact. And like I said, everything is beautiful and clean on this Speedy 30, okay? All right, y'all, so that's my review on this Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 from Japanese eBay. I hope everybody enjoyed the review on this bag. I'm totally happy with it and can't wait to use it. I will come back with a follow-up video after I've cleaned it up and show you the results and the process of that again. And also after that, I'm gonna send it off to Louis Vuitton and I'll come back after I get the bag back and we'll do a follow-up video for that, and I'll go over the whole process of sending it off to Louis Vuitton for you so you'll know in case you have something you wanna send off, because they will replace zipper pulls, even the entire leather on your bag and the hardware as well. They just don't replace the canvas. So I hope everyone has a fabulous weekend. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If everybody could take a moment to give this video a like on your way out, I would appreciate it. And I'll see everybody on my follow-up video. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.